Hey guys, my name's Sean. I'm here with my 2007 Jeep Wrangler JK two-door. Today we're going to be talking about our Elev8 Off Road control arms. I got these about a few years ago. We're doing a video on these today to show kind of what they've gone through and the experience I've had with them. So here we have my 2007 Jeep Wrangler JK. We have the Elev8 Off Road control arms. They are a little bit older, but they are still phenomenal, doing great. The stock control arms just weren't cutting it. The bushings were bad and I just did not have the ride quality I wanted. As I said before, we have the lower and upper control arms here on the front. They are the 2 to 4 inch from Elev8 Off Road. I did the custom color option with the Illusion Cherry and kept the still black out as it comes. Finding this color was a little bit difficult. It's not an exact match of this color, not one they have on the website there. However, it's the closest one to my eye. Even if they don't have your color on the website yet, they can take and match the color of your Jeep to the color for the faceplate from Prismatic Powders. And they can also do any custom color you would like. If you have any trouble, I say you could probably reach out to them, get a little bit of help, and any tech questions you have, you'll also be able to get with them on that. And if you guys want to follow me over here, we do have the rear control arm with the uppers and the lowers. These didn't really change in any angle or anything. These stayed stock in length. There wasn't anything to change in the rear. Just overall look and just replacement of bushings for these. They match my fronts, they tie in together. They just overall look great from Elev8 Off Road. They do a great product for us. So on installing this product, overall, for me, it was easy. I did have some issues with the bolts considering the vehicle's age. Again, it is a 2007, so the first year the JK came off the line. The bolts weren't seized, but they were still difficult. They were caked with mud where I've used it on and off road again. Getting those out, a little bit of a task, but not too difficult. I did happen to do this in my driveway with, you know, a wrench, impact, a few other tools, including a jack. And I don't remember what I was gonna say, but it was something. The great thing about these arms from Elev8 Off Road, other than their great look, beefiness, and just total usability of these, is they have a polyurethane bushing and a sleeve inside, along with a Zerk fitting, so you can grease these every other oil change is what they would recommend, just to get that life out of that bushing, because bushings do wear and tear, but theirs, they have lasted a very good while. I've used these on and off road, and they have held up very well. The other great thing about these arms, they are all made in the USA. Made over here in East Tennessee, right next to the Smokies. Again, great people to work with as well. Whenever they come out with their drop brackets for the JKs, I will be ordering some of those up. What these will do is help adjust the angle with my caster here to get a little bit more roll where I need it, give it a softer angle, so they'll just bolt up. It's not a, from what I'm hearing, it's not a traditional long arm kit whatsoever. It bolts in the factory position of these vehicles. So they'll go up here with a rock rail, coming back here just a tad, and just finishing up the look. They'll be doing front and rears actually for these vehicles. So I'll be able to get the look and a little bit more functionality out of these, along with a softer ride. Elev8 stands behind their warranty with a lifetime warranty on their bushing, sleeves, and the still of the product. So if you ever damage these in any way, form, or fashion, or they fail, not likely, but there's always possibilities, you can contact them and get a hold of them, and they will warranty these for you. And again, just look at the arms. I mean, look how they look now. Thank you guys, we're gonna wrap up this video. If you guys wanna visit the Elev8 Off Road, link down below, you'll be able to pick your arms for your JK, JL, and JTs, pick your custom color, and get your ride looking as clean as mine. We really thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.